In this video, I will guide you on how to fix YouTube not working on Smart TV. First, open the Apps section on your TV. On some TVs, you can press the Home button on the remote and select Apps, while others may have a dedicated App button. Find the YouTube app, then select it. If your TV gives you the option uninstall or delete the app, then reinstall it. On some Samsung TVs, you may see reinstall option instead. Once the installation is complete, open YouTube again and check if it is working. Next, you want to check your internet connection. The most common reason for YouTube not working on TV is a poor or unstable internet connection. Ensure that your TV is connected to internet. You can check the connection by accessing other apps or using a web browser on your TV. Next, restart your TV. Sometimes simply restarting your TV can fix the problem. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the power source. Wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in and turning it on. This can clear any temporary glitches that may be preventing YouTube from working properly. Next, you want to update the YouTube app and TV software. Outdated software can cause apps to malfunction. Check if there is any updates available for YouTube app and your TV's firmware. To update the YouTube app, go to App Store on your TV and find YouTube and check for updates. For the TV firmware, go to Settings menu, usually under Support or About, and look for the option for Update the software. Keeping your software up to date ensures compatibility and smooth performance. In this way, you can fix YouTube not working on Smart TV problem. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.